Hi, let us solve for x this exponential equation. We have here 2 into 2 to the negative 2x minus 2 to the negative x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, 2 to the negative 2x simply means, so this one becomes 2 all over 2 to the 2x. 2 all over 2 to the 2x. This one just simply becomes 2 all over 2 to the 2x from the law of indices minus the same law of indices 1 all over 2 to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what do we do at this point? To do away with fractions, we are going to multiply all through by the LCM. The LCM of 2 to the 2x, 2 to the x, 1 can also be seen as 1 all over 1. So the LCM of all these denominators will be 2 to the 2x. 2 to the power 2x can divide by itself. 2 to the power 2x can divide by 2 to the x. And there's no remainder. And of course, any number can divide by 1. So the LCM is 2 to the power 2x. So we'll multiply all through by 2 to the power 2x. And so we're going to get 2 to the 2x all over 2 to the 2x. 2 to the 2x all over 2 to the x, 2 to the 2x all over 1 is equal to 0. So that this one cancels that one. We are left here with 2 minus 2 to the 2x divided by 2 to the x. Remember, it is 2 to the power 2x minus x. We subtract the powers. Then, of course, 2 to the 2x is equal to 0. So we have 2 to the x. 2x minus x is x. 2 to the 2x is equal to 0. So we now obtain an expression without fractions. We have now an expression here in terms of powers of 2 to the x. Okay, this is the same as 2 minus 2 to the x minus 2 to the x squared is equal to 0. So actually it is a quadratic in terms of 2 to the power x. So to make it look clearer, let us make the substitution y equals 2 to the x. Let us make this substitution. All right, so we'll have 2 minus y squared is equal to 0. So that quadratic there, in a much clearer form, is written as such, so that we can see it much clearer. All right, if we multiply all through by negative sign, we obtain y squared plus y minus 2 equals 0. That's multiplying each of these terms here by the negative sign and rearranging. So we have y squared plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that we have to solve. So we get two factors of negative 2 whose sum is positive 1. And so we have y plus 2, y minus 1. All right? If we open out this expression, this parenthesis, we're going to have this expression over there. So from here, it simply means that y is either equal to negative 2 or y is equal to 1. So if we start from this one here, y equals to 1, remember y is a substitution 2 to the x. So if we take this one, then we're saying 2 to the x is equal to 1. All right, 1 can be written as 2 to the power 0. Our aim is to have the same base on both sides. Now, this index expression equals this index expression. The bases are equal automatically. It means the powers can also be equated. That gives us our first solution. All right, so x equals 0 is our solution. Now, if we look at this other option here, this other solution, it says y equals negative 2. Again, y is 2 to the power x. So we're saying 2 to the power x is equal to negative 2. But if you look at it, this is impossible. All right? No index expression can ever give us a negative value, no matter the nature of the power. Okay. So, especially when the base is positive here. Look at it, the base is positive. So no matter the nature of the power, we can never obtain a negative value. So this is simply impossible. So this is left out. And so the only solution that we have for that exponential equation is the solution x equals 0.